but it kept connected with a lot of those kids and those families. And it was another opportunity every week of the summer, just about, for them to invite friends. And we saw new people coming through the summer, but we'll say it just exhausted the pastor's pal leader. One of the things that I found is almost essential to the follow-up. The things you've mentioned about going and visiting, making phone calls, sending cards, connecting with the Sunday school teachers, all those things are great things and things that we did also. But one of the things is always have some follow-up events, follow-up activities that are already scheduled. Now, you mentioned making sure on your family night that all through the week you were giving that information to the kids to take to the parents. We did the same thing. But one of the things we also were promoting, just in a little card or a little parents newsletter or something, was we would be having a kids bowling party. We'd be having a kids whatever. Maybe it was far enough out that we were going to be having a big block party, that kind of a thing, at the city park or something. And so we would want to have at least two things so that our parents, our teachers, our family, when they're talking to people during Vacation Bible School, they have an immediate invitation. It's not just, well, we want you to come to our worship service. We want you to come to Sunday school is a good invite, because you can say, well, Sunday school is a lot like Vacation Bible School. We do a lot of fun stuff, but the worship service, not so much, and other things aren't so much. But if you say, hey, we're having this big, party event in 3 weeks or in 2 weeks, from now, and they have a card or something, give them the information, then that lets the kid and the parents be thinking forward to another activity, another event that's not just coming, quote unquote, to church at that point. And they can see it as fun and that kind of thing. So a couple of those kind of things usually is good just for the momentum, just when you're thinking about the momentum building.
Yeah, we typically do a back to school bash, so that'll follow our Vacation Bible School. We also, as our church, we do throughout the summer, we try to do 3 lake days where we go and we have church at the lake and we actually swim and we have some folks that bring boats and we, play on boats and things, but we promote those as a family event.
That's great. Yeah.
And so we try to, we invite families that way and we try to hand those kind of flyers out, with, hey, we've got these 3 events coming up throughout the rest of the year that, we just want to make you mindful of.
Right.
And
one year, against better advice, I did a pastor's pal gathering, and I don't remember, it was on every Monday, every Tuesday, every Wednesday, something. I don't remember what day we did it on, but every week for the weeks after Vacation Bible School, because we did ours in June right after school had let out, because schools were usually out right there in May, the end of May or something. And so we do it right there, either right the end of May or 1st of June. So the rest of the summer, we do this pastor's pal party of some sort, and we would just have like an hour and a half. It wasn't like the full Bible school thing, but they'd come and I'd do some kind of a fun, kind of a Bible study, Bible teaching story. It's always a story of some sort. And then I had some of our teachers that came and we'd do some crafts and other kinds of things, and didn't have near the attendance we had during Vacation Bible School. We probably had 3 or 4 times the attendance at Bible school, but it kept connected with a lot of those kids and those families. And it was another opportunity every week of the summer, just about, for them to invite friends. And we saw new people coming through the summer, but we'll say it just exhausted the pastor's pal leader.
I bet.
And harder to get workers to commit all summer long too. So, but